Hey there, fellow travelers! If you're planning a trip to the Sunshine State, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the top 17 best places to visit in Florida. From the vibrant energy of Miami to the serene beaches of the Gulf Coast, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and discover your next vacation spot. First up, we have South Florida. Miami is a must-visit with its stunning beaches, lively nightlife, and iconic Art Deco architecture. Don't forget to check out Little Havana for some authentic Cuban culture and cuisine. Next, we move to Central Florida, home to the world-famous Orlando. Whether you're a fan of Disney, Universal Studios, or SeaWorld, there's something for everyone here, but that's not all. Central Florida also boasts beautiful natural springs, perfect for a refreshing swim or kayak adventure. Heading northwest, the Florida Panhandle offers pristine beaches and rich history. Destin and Panama City Beach are known for their emerald green waters and soft white sands. For a taste of history, visit Pensacola, where you can explore historic forts and museums. Now let's explore the Gulf Coast. Sarasota is a hidden gem with its artistic vibe, and Siesta Key Beach, often rated the best beach in the United States. St. Petersburg, or St. Pete, is perfect for art lovers with its renowned museums and vibrant street art. And don't miss Tampa, a city that blends modern attractions with rich cultural heritage. If luxury is what you're after, Palm Beach is the place to be. Known for its upscale resorts, high-end shopping, and beautiful mansions, it's the perfect spot for a lavish getaway. Florida tourism is back in full swing, so you can expect popular places like Miami and Orlando to be bustling with visitors. But don't worry, cities like Sarasota, Palm Beach, St. Petersburg, and Tampa offer a more relaxed vibe without the heavy crowds. Whether you're planning a vacation or considering a move to the Sunshine State, we hope this guide helps you find the perfect spot. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides.